Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Monday.com Form Responses. This tutorial will walk you through the process of creating and managing form responses on the Monday.com platform. First, let's start with the basics. Monday.com is a work operating system that allows teams to create custom workflows and automate tasks. Form responses are an essential part of this process, enabling teams to collect data and information from various stakeholders. To get started, navigate to your Monday.com account and click on the Forms tab. Here, you can create a new form by clicking the Add Form button. Choose a template or start from scratch, and then add the necessary fields and questions to collect the required information. Once your form is created, you can share it with team members, customers, or other stakeholders. They can then fill out the form, and their responses will be automatically collected and stored in your Monday.com account. To view form responses, click on the Responses tab. Here, you can see a list of all submitted responses, along with the data and information collected. You can also filter and sort responses based on specific criteria, such as date, time, or custom fields. One of the key benefits of Monday.com form responses is the ability to automate tasks and workflows based on the collected data. For example, you can set up notifications to alert team members when a new response is submitted, or create custom workflows to assign tasks and follow up with stakeholders. Best practices for using Monday.com form responses include keeping your forms concise and focused, using clear and descriptive field labels, and testing your forms before sharing them with others. By following these guidelines and leveraging the power of Monday.com form responses, you can streamline your workflows, improve data collection, and enhance team collaboration. In conclusion, Monday.com form responses provide a powerful tool for collecting and managing data, automating tasks, and enhancing team collaboration. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can unlock the full potential of Monday.com form responses and take your workflows to the next level.